Welcome to SumTime06, Unit 3. There are 15 problems in this unit. We're going to mix them up. Let's start with problem number 8. Problem 8. A spending spree. Grandmother Smith went shopping with $60 in her pocket. She spent a quarter of her money on groceries, $30 on CDs, and 10% of her original money buying presents for her grandchildren. How much money did she have left? Let's do it together. She spent 10% of her original money buying presents. Well, 10% of 60 is how much? That's right, $6. She spent a quarter of her money on groceries. What's a quarter of 60? Well, a half is 30, so a quarter is 15. So she spent $15 on groceries and $6 on her grandchildren. How much is that? $21. And we know she spent $30 on CDs. So how much money did she have left? Work it out for yourselves. Problem 15. Water lilies. High in the mountains, there are many lakes covered with water lilies. These water lilies grow so quickly that the area they cover doubles every 24 hours. In spring, after the snow and ice melt, you find one water lily on a lake. 60 days later, the lake is completely covered with lilies. How many days did it take to cover half the lake? This looks a pretty complicated problem, but I promise you it's incredibly simple. Just remember, these water lilies grow so quickly that the area they cover doubles every 24 hours. And the answer should be perfectly clear. Best of luck. Problem 13. Overtime. I worked so many hours overtime this week that my normal weekly pay tripled. I earned 3 times more than I usually do. $700 more than usual, to be precise. Can you work out how much I normally earn in a week? We do it like this. This week I earned 3 times more than I usually do. $700 more, to be precise. So, if my normal wage is X, this week I earned X plus 700. Get it? Now, X plus 700 is the same as 3 times my normal wage. So we can say 3x equals x plus 700. Now let's move that x over to the other side, and we get 3x minus x equals 700. So 2x equals 700. So x equals 350. My normal wage is $350.